The CFMOTO 300SR is a sporty, entry-level motorcycle designed for riders seeking an affordable yet performance-oriented bike. Released in 2022, it competes with models like the Yamaha YZF R3 and Kawasaki Ninja 300. With a sleek, aggressive design and modern features, the 300SR offers a balanced mix of power, handling, and technology, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate riders. Engine performance. Powered by a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine, the 300SR delivers smooth and responsive power. It produces 29.5 HP at 8,750 RPM and 25.3 Newton-meters of torque at 7,250 RPM, providing strong mid-range acceleration ideal for city riding and highway cruising. The fuel-injected engine ensures efficient throttle response, while the 6-speed transmission offers precise gear shifts. Design and aerodynamics. The 300SR features a sharp, fully fared sportbike design inspired by higher-end supersport models. Its aerodynamic bodywork, twin LED headlights, and aggressive stance give it a premium look. The bike's compact dimensions, 2,010 mm length, 780 mm width, 1,080 mm height, and low seat height, 780 mm, make it accessible for shorter riders while maintaining an aggressive riding posture. Chassis and handling. Built on a lightweight steel trellis frame, the 300SR offers excellent maneuverability and stability. The suspension setup includes 37 mm upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, providing a balanced ride for both sporty cornering and daily commuting. The bike's 147 kilograms, wet weight, ensures nimble handling, making it easy to flick through traffic. Braking and safety features. Safety is prioritized with a dual-channel ABS system paired with a 292 mm front disc brake and 220 mm rear disc brake, offering strong stopping power. The ABS ensures controlled braking in wet or slippery conditions, enhancing rider confidence. The grippy tires, 110/70, R17 front, 140/60, R17 rear, further improve stability. Electronics and instrumentation. The 300SR comes with a full-color TFT display, providing clear visibility of speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. The modern dash also includes a gear shift indicator, helping riders optimize performance. While lacking advanced rider modes, the electronics package is impressive for its price range. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its sporty nature, the 300SR offers a relatively relaxed riding position compared to full-fledged supersport bikes. The slightly raised handlebars and well-padded seat ensure comfort on longer rides, while the foot pegs are positioned for a sporty but not overly aggressive stance. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With a 12L fuel tank, the 300SR delivers an impressive fuel economy of around 30 to 35 km/L, making it cost-effective for daily commuting. The bike's compact size and manageable weight also make it easy to park and filter through traffic. Price and value for money. One of the 300SR's biggest strengths is its affordability. Positioned as a budget-friendly sport bike, it offers premium features like ABS, TFT display, and an aggressive design at a fraction of the cost of competitors. This makes it a high-value proposition for new riders. Verdict: who should buy it? The CFMOTO 300SR 2022 is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a stylish, capable sport bike without breaking the bank. It's also a great option for intermediate riders wanting a lightweight, fun bike for city and twisty road rides. While it may lack the raw power of higher displacement bikes, its balance of performance, features, and affordability makes it a standout in the 300 cubic centimeters category.